Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Form video. I know it's been a while, guys, almost a month since the last upload, but as you guys know, I work retail and it's very busy right now during the holidays. So, been very busy with life. Got a couple things done. Some life changes happened and this and that. So, but we're back in the grind, guys. 2026 will be my year, of course, because I will stop uploading anymore. I will continue to upload every day as best as I can. Like I said, sorry, it's just been very busy, been tired after getting off of work, so just not having energy to do it. But we're back at it again, guys. So today we're talking about some savings right here, guys, on an Android device. It's a good time for the holidays, so let's see what's up with that. So this is through Boost Mobile, of course. So we always talk about iPhones, but this time we're talking about the Pixel 9a, guys. So yes, right now on the 60 unlimited plan right there, premium plan, you need to get that plan. You can get the Google Pixel 9a. The phone retails for $500. You get it for $100, guys. Of course, this does have Gemini built into it, so it's very nice. It's gonna be a short video. Let's check it out. So there it is, the Pixel 9a, guys. You do get an Obsidian, which is like this gray color, 128 gigs of storage. You can decline the device protection. It's only $8 a month, which actually is probably one of the cheapest in the industry right now. You can't keep your number or get a number, but here it is. Here's the free financing. You can either buy the phone outright, it's $500. You can do 13-month financing at $13.89 a month, or you can do a special deal, which is unlimited premium $60 plan required, no credit check for $100. So let's look at some of this details here, guys, of the phone, of course. Like I said, this is for Android lovers. This is a 6.3-inch screen. The camera's a 48 megapixels. The battery is a 30-hour battery. Android 15. It does have, of course, like I said, Gemini. So it does have Magic Made Simple. So it says, take the picture and be in it too. Pretty cool. It says, add me. Make sure no one is left out of the picture. You can, if you guys don't know, guys, Google Pixel is... their AI is superior, I think, than any other thing. Definitely beats Apple for sure. And the second one would probably be Samsung. And of course, for whatever reason, because, you know, Google does make Pixels, they're very good at whatever AI feature. So it says turn tiny details into spectacular images. Group photos, the whole group loves. Pretty cool. Lasting appeal, of course, it's nice. Phone, doesn't matter if you get it wet or anything. It is water resistant, so it's pretty cool. Of course, there's the Gemini and all that built into it of editing. Does protect your online security, so you do get some online security with all that, guys. The best thing, of course, about the Google lineup is the call screen. So basically what it will do is it'll screen the call before. It'll say, you know, what do you need? And I'll say, you know, hey, I'm here. My name is Mike or whatever, or you know, just be like, my name is Evan. I'm here to just reach out to you to see how you're doing this holiday. And, you know, it'll come out here in a text, which is pretty cool. Then you can decide to either answer it or decline the call or send a voicemail. So it's very nice. I do like that, especially with all that spam calling right now. So pretty cool specs here. Like I said, 6.3 Actua display, 120 hertz refresh rate, batteries of 5,100 milliamp, up to 100-hour battery life with extreme battery saver, fast charging. Does do the wireless charging, of course. Google Tensor G4, Titan M2 security. Okay. Android 15, of course, the camera is dual rear camera system, 48 megapixel wide, 13 ultra wide, super res zoom up to 8 times, 13 megapixel front facing camera. Does have 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes of memory. Pretty cool. Does have Wi-Fi 6E, so that's pretty close to Wi-Fi 7, guys. Not bad at all. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Check out the description below. Like I said, guys, it's been a little slow with information out there, but I will be bringing out the best information out there for you and maybe some final reviews. 2026, guys, back to the unboxings and everything. Like I said, I've just had to do some catch up and lots of work, but here it is, guys. I'm doing everything to bring back the content back to you guys. Thank you, guys, and have a good day.